Select absolute coordinates and home the machine. Create the file and frame. With absolute coordinates, the laser will move to the field's position in the workspace to frame. Move the file in the workspace. When framing, the laser will automatically go to the corresponding position. In absolute coordinates mode, do not move the laser head by hand. In current position mode, the laser's current position is the starting point. No matter where the file is in the workspace, framing always starts from the laser's current position. In user origin mode, the machine will home first. Move the laser head to the desired position and set it as the user origin. Framing will always start from the set origin regardless of the field's location in the workspace.